Hello children, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Today we will read lesson number 5 of your book, and the name of the lesson is The Lost Camel. Now, have you ever seen a camel? Camel dekhi cha samajhte? It's a very tall animal, it's a very big animal, na? Long legs and a very pointed face. And it is found in deserts, right? So, you love camels, na? Camel, otta, बहुत भल लागे देखिबा को, ना? So, okay, today we will read this chapter. I will read out the SGPs one after another, and then I will make you understand the theme of the story. Okay, so it's a very beautiful story. You will definitely love it. Okay, so look at the picture here. What do you see in this picture? Who are there in this picture? Yes, 3 people are there, 3 persons are there, and a picture of a camel is also there. So what do you think is the story about? कौन भाबुच स्टोरी टा कौन हेइथिबो? What are these 3 people talking about? कहा विषय कथा होचती? Okay, let us read and find out. Okay, so SGP 1. 2 merchants were looking for their lost camel in the desert. They met an old man on the way. They asked him whether he had seen a camel. The old man's answers were in the form of questions. Is it an old animal? He asked. The owners said it was. Is it lame in one leg? Asked the old man. The men said it was. Is it blind in the left eye? The old man asked again. The owners were a little surprised. They said the animal was indeed blind in the left eye. Have you seen the animal? They asked the old man. So this was the SGP1. And my dear students, ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଗୋଟେ chapter ବୁଝଉଛି ପଢଉଛି, listen carefully. ମୁଁ କେମିତି reading କରୁଛି, କେମିତି pause ଦେଇକିରି ରହି କୋଉଠି punctuation marks ଅଛି. Try to read it in your home. ଘରେ ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ ପଢିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. ଯେମିତି ଯଦି ନ ବୁଝି ପାରୁଛ, again and again see the video and try to follow how I read. ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି ପଢୁଛି ସେମିତି ପଢିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର, and definitely and try to guess the meaning of the sentences. ଯେତେବେଳେ story ପଢୁଛ एकदम ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇ ପଢିବ, so that କି ତମେ ପଢିବା ଏବେ ଏତେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ତ ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ସାରା ଇଂଲିଶ ଶିଖି ଯିବଣି ନା, ବହୁତ ସାରା words ର meaning ତମେ ସବୁ ଜାଣି ଯାଇଛ. तो try to understand the meaning in context. जहाँ जहाँ line पढुଛ guess करो अधा meaning जे कौन ହେଇଥିବ. Okay, and ମୁଁ ବି ତମକୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି lesson ଟା. So what happened in SGP1? 2 merchants माने व्यवसायी, जो माने business करती. तो सेमाने they were looking for is a phrase, means माने खोजुଥିଲେ. कौन खोजुଥିଲେ? Lost camel. तांक पाखरे गोटे camel थिला. तो definitely you can see there are 2 picture रे भी 2 जण लोक अछंदी. तो they are searching for their lost camel. माने तांक पाखरे गोटे camel थिला जहाँ की lost हजी जाइछि. So they were searching. So while searching they met an old man. But old man भी एठी तमे देखुछो तांको से माने भेट पाइले. They asked him, old man को पचालो, whether he has seen the camel. काळे से देखी थिबो camel. The old man's answer, जेतबे से ताको पचाले कि तुमे देखिछो कि camel. The old man's रा जो answer उडाका थिला, से जो उत्तर देला, answer देला, they were in the form of questions. सेरा उत्तर नथिला. The old man again asked them some questions, few many questions. ताको प्रश्न पचाला. कौन पचाला? Is it an old animal? जोटे माने बुढ़ा animal टे के voice हे जाइछि कि animal ताको. The owner माने जे मालिक थिले camel रो, they said it was, yes, हाँ से age हे जाइथिला. Is it lame in one leg? Lame माने कौन? छोटा. तार गोटे छोटा थिला कि? The old man asked. Owner पुणी कहले, yes, it was. हाँ टिके छोटा थिला तार गोटे गोड़. Then again the third question was, is it blind in the left eye? ତା ଲେଫ୍ଟ ଆଇ ମାନେ ବାମ ଆଖି ବ୍ଲାଇଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା କି ଅନ୍ଧ ଥିଲା କି ଦେଖି ପାରୁନଥିଲା କି? The owners were a little surprised. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷଟାକ ଠିକ ଠିକ ବୁଢା ପଚାରୁଛି ବୁଢା ଲୋକଟି ତ owners were surprised. ଟିକେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲେ ଯେ ଇଏ ଏତେ କଥା କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲା? They thought he might have seen their camel. So they said the animal was indeed ହଁ ସତରେ ସେ blind ଥିଲା. In the left eye. କୋଉ ଆଖି ତାର blind ଥିଲା? Left eye. So have you seen the animal? ସେମାନେ କଣ ପଚାର ତୁମେ ଦେଖିଛ କି? This was end of SGP 1. Then what happened? Let us see in SGP 2. Let us see what happened in SGP 2. Without answering, the old man said to them, "Is the camel carrying wheat on one side of its back?" The owners said it was. They were sure that the old man had seen the animal. "Isn't the camel carrying honey on the other side?" The owners caught hold of the old man and asked him angrily, "Have you stolen the goods and killed the animal?" "I have not seen the animal," said the old man calmly. The merchant asked him, "Do you think we are fools to believe your story?" And they dragged him to the court. ନା ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପଚାରିଲେ have you seen the animal ତୁମେ animal ଟାକୁ ଦେଖିଛ କି? କିଏ? ସେ ଯୋଉ ଦି ଜଣ ଲୋକ ଥିଲେ, two persons. ତ again without answering yes or no କହିକିରି that old man again said, କଣ କହିଲା? "Is the camel carrying wheat on one side of its back?" Camel ମାନେ ତ ବୋଝ ବୋହନ୍ତି ନା, you know all that in deserts camel are used for transport ମାନେ ସାମଗ୍ରୀ ବୋହିବା ପାଇଁ କାମରେ ଲଗାନ୍ତି। ତ ସେ ପଚାରୁଛି one side of its back ତା ପିଠିର ଗୋଟେ ପଟରେ ସେ wheat ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲା କି ଗହମ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲା କି? wheat ମାନେ ଗହମ। The owner said ହଁ ନେଇକି ଯାଉଥିଲା, yes it was carrying। ଏବେ ସେମାନେ sure ହେଇଗଲେ कि ये बुढ़ा लोकोटे निश्चित तांके एनिमल को देखिछि। Again the old man asked, "Isn't the camel carrying honey on the other side?" आरपट बैक रे तार गोटे साइड रे wheat थिला, अदर साइड रे honey नेके जाउतिला कि महू नेके जाउतिला कि? The owners caught hold of the owner. Caught hold माने ताकु धरि and asked him angrily. Angrily माने रागी करी. Angry means रागी. Angrily रागी करी पचारे, "Have you stolen the goods?" Goods माने जिनिसपत्र सामग्री। तुम्हें stolen चोरी कर नहीं छकी and killed the animal? तुम्हें से एनिमल को आम कैमल को मारी के सब जिनिसपत्र चोरी कर नहीं छकी? "I have not seen the animal," said the old man calmly. Calmly शांत भावरे उत्तर देला बुढ़ा लोकटी, "कोन मु से एनिमल को देखी नाही." The merchant asked him, merchant पूरी कहउचंती रागी की, "Do you think we are fools?" फूल माने बोका, तुम्हें भाबुछ हमें बोका की? काहे कि ସେମାନେ ଏମିତି କହିଲେ? Because the old man was ଯାହା ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରୁଥିଲା that those questions were all true. ସବୁ ସତ କହୁଥିଲା କ୍ୟାମେଲ ବିଷୟରେ ଯାହା ଥିଲା। ତ ସେମାନେ କହିଲେ କି ତୁମେ ଏତେ କଥା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଜାଣିଛ, ତୁମେ କହୁଛ ଆନିମଲ କୁ ଦେଖିନ, ନ ଦେଖିକି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଏତେ କଥା କେମିତି କହିପାରିବ? ତ they said, "Do you think we are fools?" ତମେ ଆମକୁ ବୋକା ଭାବୁଛ, ମୂର୍ଖ ଭାବୁଛ? And they dragged him to the court. कोर्ट को ड्रैग माने भिड़ी भिड़ी नहीं गले क्या को नहीं गले the old man. Next see what happened. Let us see what happened next. So SGP 3 they dragged the old man to the court and then the judge listened to the merchant's story. Then he turned to the old man and asked him where he had seen the camel. The old man said he had never seen it in his life. How do you know the camel is lame in one leg? The judge asked the old man. I looked at the footprints on the sand, said the old man, and one of them could hardly be seen. The judge smiled and asked why the old man thought the camel was blind in one eye. The animal had eaten the leaves of bushes on only one side of the road, said the old man. Why do you think the camel was carrying wheat and honey? Asked the judge. I saw ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road, said the old man. And there were bees flying around on the other side, I suppose, said the judge. Yes, Your Honor, said the old man. The judge then turned to the merchants and said, this man had made use of his eyes to look at all things. You have eyes too. Use them. You will find your animal. Having eyes is not enough. Be intelligent too. And when you find your camel, look after it well. Do not leave it alone. Do not give him heavy loads to carry. Then the judge sent them away. So what happened? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଦି ଜଣ ଲୋକ ସେ ମର୍ଚେଣ୍ଟ ଦି ଜଣ ଓଲ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟାନ को कोर्ट को नहीं गले, जज सामना को नहीं गले, जज को दे टोल्ड द होल स्टोरी कौन कौन पर्यंत घटिथिला जज को सब कहले. जज asked the man, the old man को पचाला where he had seen the animal. तुम कोर्ट से एनिमल को देखिछो, कैमल को कोर्ट देखिछो. Old man said he had never seen it in his life. मु कहला कहला मो जीवन काल रे से एमती कैमल को तांको कैमल को मु देखि नाही. तो से पचाची, how do you know the camel is lame in one leg? केमती lame अछि गोटे leg तार केम जानिलो? Who asked judge? So the old man said, I looked at the footprints. सेटा मु तांको पाद चिन्ह, footprints माने पाद चिन्ह को देखिली, and one of the footprints could hardly be seen. देखा ही जाउ नतला, बहुत अल्प तार चिन्ह देखा जाउतला. गोटे एकदम स्पष्ट देखा जाउतला, क्लियर, एंड आ गोटे टिके अनक्लियर थिला. सो ही गेस्ड कि गोटे पाद तार होई तो छोटा होई थाई पारे, एकदम क्लियर फुटप्रिंट्स देखा जाउ नथिला. द जज स्माइल्ड एंड देन आस्क्ड कि व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट द कैमल वाज ब्लाइंड इन वन आई? तार गोटे आखी ब्लाइंड बेली केमती जानिलो? सो द ओल्ड मैन सेड कि एनिमल जो जाईची से जो बुशेस जोड़ा को जो बाटरे थिला, से कैमल वन साइड दे पटे बुश अछि, किंतु कैमल गोटे साइड रो बुश रो माने झाड़र पत्र गुडा को से खाई खाई जाईची, किंतु एपटे जो पत्र गुडा को अछि सेडा को से खाई पारे नाही. इट मींस ही कुड नॉट सी. गोटे आखिरे तार पते देखा जाउनी एपटे पत्र अछि बोली, सो जो आखिरे ताको बुश देखा जाउची से पत्रडा से बाट सारा खाई खाई जाईची. दैट्स व्हाई आई गेस्ड. Then again the judge asked, why do you think the camel was carrying wheat and honey? तुम्हें केमती कहि पारिबो कि से wheat और honey नहीं के जाउथिला? So the old man said कि I saw कि गोटे side on one side of the road some ants were there. पिंपुड़ी किछि कोन करथिले? wheat रो grains गुडी को निज पिठरे बोही बोही नउथिले, बुणी बुणी जाईची, तो ants उडा को grains नै नै जाउछन. ओके, तो एंड द जज तार एति की कहू जज ताडू से कहउचंती, एंड देयर वर बीज फ्लाइंग अराउंड ऑन द अदर साइड. आर पटे पटे बीज, हनी बीज तमे महुमाछी देखिथिबो बोले से माने उडुतले कि महू परे. यस योर ऑनर, द ओल्ड मैन सेड. यस, हां या ओ हनी बीज किछि आर पटे गोटे वन साइड ऑफ द रोड रे देखिली पिंपुडी व्हीट नै जाउचंती, एंड अदर साइड रे honey bees, they were all flying all over the honey that was spread on the road. Okay, the judge then turned to the merchants. Turn mane bulli gale, merchant ade ko bulli padi kahile, tanke kahile, this man had made use of his eyes. ए जो वृद्ध व्यक्ति जनक, that old man, से तांकर आखिर सदुपयोग करिसंती. मेड यूज ऑफ माने आखिर भल व्यवहार करचंती, सुपयोग करचंती, सुव्यवहार करचंती. कोन यू तुम पाखे भी आखि अछि, किंतु तुमे से आखि को ठीक भाबरे यूज करि पारु. ओके, खाली आखि तो हेथिले चलिबनी, आखिर व्यवहार, आखिर हमें कोन देखि पारुचे. इंटेलिजेंटली वी हैव टू लुक इनटू द थिंग्स. आमे बुद्धिमतार आम आखि सब जिनस आमे देखुचे, बट सब जिनस को ऑब्जर्व करिया दरकार, ताको गुड़ भाव में अनुध्यान करबा दरकार जे कोन अछि माने जिनसटा कोन केमती कोन होई थाई पारे ओके द प्रोज एंड कॉन्स आम सब टिके नजर दबा कथा भाबीबा कथा बुद्धि अप्लाई करबा तो हैविंग आईज इज नॉट अलाउड द जज इज सेइंग बी इंटेलिजेंट तुम्हें बुद्धिमतार सह बुद्धिमान हवा भी आवश्यक खाली तो आखि थिले हबनी एंड व्हेन यू फाइंड योर कैमल को जा तुमर आखि अछि यू फाइंड योर एनिमल और जेतन तुम एनिमल को खोजी पाइबो यू हैव टू लुक आफ्टर इट वेल लुक आफ्टर माने जगिबा केयर करिबा यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट ताको केयर करो एंड ताको एकुटिया के डू नॉट लीव इट अलोन माने एका ताको एका के छाड़ीबनी एंड do not give him heavy loads to carry animals are also ताको भी कष्ट हुए ना तो ताको बहुत सारा heavy load दे दिले से माने कष्ट पाइबे तो ताको एते heavy load केबे दियंतु नाही then the judge sent them away ताको फेरे देला okay you like the story भल लागिला so out of the how many characters were there in this story 4 characters right के 2 merchants a judge and the old man तो वो के बेसी भल लागिला ई चार जण भितर whom do you like the most okay think about it use your brain intelligently तुम तो सब बहुत बुद्धिमान पिला माने तो think about it and read the story again and again try to do all the activities comprehension questions karibo यार post reading activities ओडा को करियो if you have any doubt you can ask me or your teacher तुम english teacher संगे कथा बार्ता हबो तांको निजर doubts पचारिबो okay and watch this video again and again जदि तुमर किछि doubt अछि तुम बार-बार वीडियो को देखो तुमर स्टोरी टा मने रहि जिवो and do subscribe my channel okay